Yes. Good morning, class. I hope I am audible to everyone in the
Yes,
classroom.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, I could
Yes,
only see
ma'am.
Nahida. Haley is there now. Very good. Felsi is there. What about Sharmila, Sabina? You are there with me? Yes, Sabina and Sharmila.
Yes,
Everyone is
ma'am.
there. Students, I hope you'll remember that my morning will only be good if. Yes, Pavitra?
By opening camera.
Yes, when everyone keeps the camera on and interact, that is also important. Okay, so I hope you all remember what we did in the last class, which had a lot of numbers. Everyone recalls what we did in the last class. Haley,
Sets, ma'am.
Integers,
about yes,
integers,
Sabina.
integers,
Integers. There were integers. What else was there?
Whole numbers, natural
Whole
numbers.
numbers, natural numbers. Very good, students. And what else? Sharmila, Pavitra.
Rational number,
There were
rational number and irrational number.
rational number, irrational number. If I tell you to make a graph out of it, will you be able to make it a tree diagram? What comes as a bigger picture? What is a bigger picture? Then we have something inside it, rational and irrational. Is it possible? I'll share one screen and I'll show you how. We have made just a minute, and then I'll request everyone to make it in their book also. Let me know if it is visible to you all. Is it visible,
Yes, ma'am.
students? Oh, I'm
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am.
Just a minute. Yes. Is it visible to everyone? Is it clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's
Yes, ma'am,
visible.
it is.
Yes. Very good. So, something which we have studied is real number, basic concepts of number. In that, we had this rational number. What are the numbers? Nahida, can you read the numbers?
Ma'am, -3, 7, and 1/3.
Exactly, -3, 7, 1/3. So numbers which can be represented in which form, Pavitra, can be called as rational number? Only Nahida is there on my screen. Only Nahida is there. So only Nahida is interested in the maths lectures. No, even Haley is there. Yes, Haley, can you tell me how it is represented? How rational numbers have been represented?
On a number line, you are like in that
Yeah,
sense.
but correct. But then what is the form of rational number? Yes, Nahida, you have raised the hand.
Ma'am, is it something which is in ratio form is called rational
Exactly,
number?
exactly. In the
P
ratio
upon
form,
Q.
P by Q. Very good, Pavitra. Yes, Nahida, Pavitra, you are exactly correct. Haley, can you repeat what was the form
In
of
the
rational
ratio
number?
form.
In the ratio form. Very good. Rational. And which cannot be represented in the ratio form is called as
Irrational. Irrational.
irrational numbers. ठीक है? One example we did. I hope you all remember the video which I have shown you. One irrational number which goes on and on and on. There is no stop to that number. And we celebrate that
Yes,
day as
ma'am.
well. Yes, tell me, Naida. Which is that number?
Ma'am, I
Is
don't
it
remember
pi?
the number.
Okay, no problem. It
Pi?
is 3.14. Yes. Pelsi was answering. Pelsi, tell me.
Is it pi?
Exactly, it is pi. So something which goes on and on, it is non-terminating, non-repeating, are irrational numbers. Is it clear to everyone? Can I see some thumbs up in the classroom? This is what we are doing revision, students, because even today we are going to learn one concept, a basic concept, and then we are going to club numbers and today's concept together in our next activity lecture. So I want you all to understand every part of it. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let's move ahead. So then we did this integers as well, negative, positive, zero. You all remember negative, positive, zero? Yes. Pavitra is nodding. What about Felsi? What about Haley? Yes, we did. So if I remove these negative numbers, I only keep 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these numbers are there. Then they are called as
Whole number.
Whole
Whole
numbers.
whole
numbers.
numbers. And what if I remove that 0 also? Then it will become
Natural
Natural
numbers.
numbers.
Natural number.
natural numbers. Yes, these positive integers are called as natural numbers. And again, in that natural numbers, we have these prime numbers, which was given as an homework. I hope you all remember prime numbers, which has only two divisors. It
Yes,
can
ma'am.
be divided in the table 1 and it can be divided in its table itself. Don't worry, students, when we come across prime numbers, 1 and composite number, we are going to solve a lot of examples to understand. Clear? But I hope till natural number you are very much clear with this graph. Yes? Can I see some thumbs up or raised hand in the classroom, those who are not there on the camera? Very good. Nahida, Haley, and Felsi are showing thumbs up. Sharmila has raised her hand. What happened, Sharmila? Is there any network issue at your end?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to connect with a good connection. Okay, we'll go ahead. So this was all about what we studied in the last lecture, students. Next basic concept which we are going to study is LCM and HCF. Is it clear? Is it visible to everyone what we are going to study today?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? LCM and HCF is what we are going to study today. Now, what is the full form of these two terms? It is least common multiple. Can you see? Least common multiple and highest common factor. I want you all to write this down in the book because we are going to understand each and every term precisely. Take a book, write it down. LCM and HCF. I'm going to ask when we are going to summarize, I'm going to ask full forms, the terms, because these two concepts together would be a base to our next activity lecture, students. It would be very much interesting when we are going to actually solve all this in that activity.
Ma'am, done.
Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let's go ahead. I hope everyone has written down these two terms in their book. LCM and HCF.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Keep
Yes,
on
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
understand each term very precisely, students. First is multiple and the highest common. But let's understand this multiple and factors first. Okay. So the next part after this is 4 and 6. Let me erase all this what is there on the board.
Ma'am,
4
what do
and
you mean by
6.
multiple and factor written on the screen?
Yes, Abhinav. We are going to understand the same thing with a lot of examples. Are you getting my point? Stay with me. So you will understand what are multiples, what are factors. And then we'll go to the rest of the terms. Clear? Sabina, you are there with me? Are we on the same page? Very good. Now you can see two numbers are there. Sabina,
Yes, 4 and 6.
4 and 6. Yes, Haley. Yes, Haley. Take your pen so that when you write, you won't be able to get bored with this like 4 and 6. Now let's multiply this number. Can I see what is the result after multiplying 4 and 6? Product of 4 and 6 is
24.
24.
24. Very good. Is this the only combination where I'll get 24? Is there any other two number multiplication will give you 24? Yes.
2
Ellie,
12s are
yes.
24.
2
3
12s
8s
are
are
24.
3 8s are
Very good. Just a minute. 3
3 8s are
8s are. Then next.
8 3s are
8 3 8s and 8 3s is one and the same, Sabina. Next. Any other combination?
8 8 3s are
Yes, 8 3s is done here, students. 3 8s or 8 3s is one and the same.
1 124.
Very good. 1 into
24.
1 into how? 24. 1 with the number itself, 24 will give you 24. So these are the different combinations to get this 24, students. So these basically, these numbers 4, 6, 2, 12, 3, 8, 1, 24, all these are called as factors. Are you getting my point? Have you understood factors? If I have to
Yes.
write 24, I write, see, 24 has what all factors? It has 1, it has 2, it has 3, it has 4, it has 6, it has 8, it has 12, and it has 24 as the factor. These are all the factors. Have you all understood this? Try one number. Let's take one number which is 36 and tell me what are the factors of 36 now. Everyone try, and I want you all to share your book on the screen so I'll understand that even you all are there on the same page. Yes, Sabina, you want me to repeat anything? Pavitra, Sharmila. Very good. Haley is showing the book. Yes, Haley, can you write it now in this way? How I have written 24. This multiplication or the product thing is absolutely correct. Can you write in these way? What are the factors of 24? Factors of 36. Very good, Nahida, but then I could only see the ruled lines. Yes, yes. Now the numbers are there very clear. Yes, Haley, even you are correct. Very good. So Nahida and Haley are done with their work. What about the others? Pavitra, Sabina, Sharmila, Felsi. Yes, Sharmila. No, please hold your book a little bit higher so I'll be able to see the numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and the last number is
18
after
and
12.
36. 18.
Sorry, 18 and 36. Okay. Sabina, you are ready? Felsi? Felsi is there, Haley in the classroom? Very good. Pavitra, can you just dictate those numbers and write it down on the board? Pavitra, please unmute yourself and tell me the numbers.
Yes,
Nahida,
ma'am.
Haley, you'll cross check the numbers, right? Yes. Yes, Pavitra.
Factors of 36: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12,
Pavitra,
36.
Pavitra. I am writing. I am writing. Okay, go one by one.
Okay.
Yes. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
6,
6,
9,
9,
12,
12,
36.
36. Anything else is required? Any number is required, or everything is correct here, students?
18, ma'am.
18. 18. How much size 36?
18 twos are, ma'am.
18 twos are.
18 2 is 36.
Sorry, I
Okay,
missed
very
it.
good. Rest all the numbers are no worries, Pavitra. But I hope you have understood what was missing. So 1 36 are, 2 18s are, 3 how much size 36? 3
12.
3
12s are.
12s
12
are.
are.
12s are, then
2,
9
12
4s are.
threes
2,
are.
9.
9 fours are.
9 4s are, and 6
6
6 are.
6
6,
are.
6
6
are.
6 is 36. Is it clear for everyone, students? Is there anything I should repeat till here? Because you're going to get again one more example to solve this. Is it clear till here? Yes, neither is showing thumbs up. Very good. So now the term. Now I hope you all have understood the term factors. Now understand what is the highest common factor. So let's come up with common terms. Which are the common terms, students? You tell me.
I'm 1, 2, 3, 4.
3,
One.
4, 6.
Wait a minute. Let me take one pen. One. Oh, sorry.
1, 2,
One, two,
3,
one, three,
4,
4,
6,
Pavitra,
6.
mute yourself.
Pavitra, yes, Pavitra. Okay, there's a little bit disturbance which is coming. And 12. See, I'll circle the same numbers down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Is there any other number which is common? Is there any other number which is common here, students?
no,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. So, which is the highest common factor here?
12.
12. So,
12.
you got the answer. HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Is it clear now, students? Let's take one more number now. Let's take one more number. With 36, I want you all to find HCF of 36 and one more number which is 18. Come up with the factors of 18 and then tell me which is the common factor. Highest common factor. 36 and 18.
हा बोला बोला एक काम करा त्याला लाईनीवर घ्या ना हे ना बोलव ना
36, we already have the factors of 36. You'll have to come up with the factors of 18.
साईडला बघा ती असणार ऍड कॉन्टॅक्ट ऍड कॉल
Ma'am, is it 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18? And the highest common factor is 18.
18.
Yes, very good. Can you tell me the factors once again, Lily? 1,
1, 2, 3,
3,
6, 9, 18.
6, 9, and 18. Very good. And what is the highest common factor between them?
18.
18. Very good. Everyone has got the same answer. Everyone has got the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
clear with the concept highest common factor, students? Clear? Let's go to the next concept. Let's understand next term, which is multiple. Sabina, are you clear with it? Pavitra, are you clear with it? Factors is
Yes, ma'am.
understood. Very good. What about Sabina? What about Sharmila? Sabina is there in the classroom?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Sabina is not there.
Sabina is not there. Oh, no problem. Fine, but I hope those who are there in the classroom are very much clear with this concept, so we can help Sabina as well after the lecture. Very fine. Let's go ahead now, students. Let's understand multiples. Now, what are multiples? We have studied multiples from our grade 3. You all remember what can we call multiples?
Something
Multiples.
which can be come in the table.
Very good, Nahida. Something which can come with table. Can you write the table of 3 and 5 for me, everyone? 3 and 5 table. I want everyone to write the tables of 3 and 5. I hope I am clear with the instruction. 3 ones are 3. 5 ones are 5. So you have to write the entire table till 3 tens are and 5 tens.
हा बोला. बिझी येतोय.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Very good. Nahida is done with the numbers. What about the others? Sharmila, Pavitra, Hedi.
काय बोलतो मला सांगा. हा ठीक ठीक आहे चालेल. फोन करा.
Hedi, Pavitra, Sharmila, because I could only see Nahida on my screen.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Done.
Felsi, very good. Felsi,
Done,
you were there
ma'am.
with me, right?
Yes, ma'am. Earlier I was having some issues, so that's why I got logged off or logged in.
No problem. But have you understood the concept factor which we studied earlier?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. That is more important. Okay, no problem. I can understand the network thing. Now moving ahead. Now tell me the numbers. Which are the numbers? What is the table of 3, Felsi? 3. Ones are 3. 3 twos are
Yes. 6,
6. Then
9,
तुमच्याला तुम्ही किती
12.
वाजता येताय?
12. Then
15,
15.
हा मग एक काम करतो.
I hope you have written the entire table clearly. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6.
Yes,
I'm just writing the numbers in. Okay, no problem. Next number is
18,
तुम्ही कुठे भेटा गेला मला?
21,
21,
नाही, काल भेटलो होतो,
24.
काल तिथेच भेटलो.
24,
27,
27 and 30. I hope I can write. No, it is not possible. But yes, I think till here we are clear.
हा, ठीक
Okay,
आहे.
so this is
आणि हे काय म्हणतो आपलं नामदेव साहेब.
Mom, 2 minutes. Sir, 2 minutes. Students. Yes. Till here it is clear to everyone.
हे कुठे नामदेव कुठे गेले?
The table of 3. I hope everyone has written it correctly.
ठीक आहे. मी तुम्हाला बघा
Yes, ma'am.
नामदेव
Yes. Next, Sharmila, please tell me the table of 5.
हा ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos
Yes.
are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Very good. So I hope you have written this part also very clearly. I'm not writing because again there will be a space.
एकदा फोन केला होता ती कुठपर्यंत आली?
Like the space is less right now. Okay, no problem. So now we'll understand. Now you have understood the term multiple. Now let us understand the entire term least common multiple, which is the least common. Now let's come up with the common numbers. Which are the common numbers in the table of 3 and 5?
काय? काय म्हणतात?
Common number in the table 3 and 5?
15 and 30.
15 and
30.
30. 30 would be the last number. 3 tens are 30. So that is the last term. So 30 and here there is 130. So there are two numbers which are common. Which is the least common, students here?
तुम्ही आता सकाळी फोन
Which is the least common? 15. Yes. So the least common multiple is, so the least common multiple or LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. It is 15 because 15 is least common. Least means something which is minimum, less. Is it clear, students? Less. Should we take one more example to understand it more better? Yes, students. Haley, Nahida, Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take one
Understood,
more
ma'am.
example. Understood? Let's take one more example so that it will be fixed in your mind. What is LCM? Okay. Let's understand the basic concept so you will understand the factorization method, the division method, which are like activity based in the next session. Okay. Let's take one more example. The next example is 4 and, let me erase all this so we'll get space. Next example is 4 and the next number I can take is again 4 and 6. Write the table of 4 and 6 and tell me which is the common least multiple. Least common multiple in the table of 4 and 6. Four and 6. Understand the basic concepts, you will understand the bigger crunch, bigger picture of these also, the other methods.
12, ma'am.
Yes, it is
12.
12. Least common multiple is 12 of 4 and 6. Is it like everyone is getting the number 12 as the least common multiple? Nahida? There's a little disturbance
yes,
in my house.
yes.
Understand.
No problem.
Yes. So moving ahead, I hope you'll have got. Should I take one more example, students? Or is it now clear? The concept, the basic concept is clear.
Hello. हाँ बोला ना.
Yes,
Ma'am, take one
Naida,
more
Haley,
example.
Clear,
Pavitra.
ma'am.
Yes,
Clear, ma'am.
clear. Again, I could hear someone saying, ma'am, take one more example or solve one more example. Should I take one more example or solve one more example to it be
Yes,
very
ma'am.
clear? Yes? Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, let me erase all this on the board and let us understand. Okay, next number which I'll take is 4 is done. Let's take number 7 and let's take number 9. A very different number. Okay, so now start with
11 नंतर 2011 वाजता मला माझे भाऊजी येतात महानगरपालिकेमध्ये त्या दिवशी आलो होतो ना आपण माझे भाऊजी. हा पण त्यांचं कामच होतं ते
start with it and tell me what is the least common multiple. If you want me to solve, I'll even solve it on the board. Haley, 21. No, but 21 doesn't come in the table of 9. Is it?
ठीक आहे.
Ma'am, is it 63?
काय म्हणता?
Yes, Haley. Sorry, Felsi. I hope Felsi was the one who was answering, right?
Yes, ma'am. Is it 63?
Yes, the answer is 63. But how you got 63?
हॅलो.
By exceeding the table, ma'am.
You have to actually exceed the table for it. Is it?
Because it is common between 7 and 9. It is because it is the least common number between the table of 7 and 9.
Yes. 7. How much the 63? 7. How much the 63? 7 into what number?
7, 9.
7 9.
7. 9 is 63. Again, 9 7 is 63. I hope it is now clear to everyone. So this was the least common multiple between the numbers. Okay. I want whatever you are writing, students, you have to submit this. So I hope you all are writing everything, solving everything. Okay. Going further, I hope you all have understood. Now the only thing which goes in my mind is, where are we actually going to use it? Right? Haley is there ki, ma'am, we are getting bored with LCM and HCM. Where are we going to use? This is the most important thing. right? Application is important. Just a minute. Just a minute.
हा
Yes, students. Am I audible to you all now?
तिला जर मोठं म्हणून वाटलं की
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, there's a network issue. Yes, students, going ahead, let's understand the application of HCF and LCF. Can you see it's there on the screen? Application of HCF and application of LCF.
पैसा बिसा काम नाही
Hello, students, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll share the screen once again. Is it visible now, students, to you all? My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. We were about to move towards which section, Haley? Which section of basics have been done?
Application of HCF and LCM.
Yes. Very good. The application part. So Nahida and Haley are there with me. What about the others? Sharmila, Felsi, you are there with us?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Can you see this image on the screen? There is one example. Yes. Sharmila, can you read the example? Can you understand what exactly this picture is trying to tell you? Sharmila?
Biggest possible team size with exactly same number of students.
Ha, that is what is
First in
written. What you have understood from this picture?
No, ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, no problem. So we are trying to understand the picture, right? Yes. Yes, Felsi. Anyone wants to try?
Is
Nahida?
it such that we will find the divisible of the number and
Yes, exactly. That is what we are going to find. Okay, I'll explain you the entire
Ma'am.
image. Can you see?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes. Nahida, Pavitra, give a try. Pavitra, you give a try of half of the picture. Nahida will give a try for the rest of the picture. Okay? Yes, go ahead.
And biggest possible team size means highest common factor. Saying to find highest common factor between the
Yes.
winning team.
Yes. Very good. Yes, Nahida, what you have interpreted from this picture?
Ma'am, like in one picture it is written 18, another picture it is 27. So it can be a member in this team and they scored some of the same scored in the particular any game, or we can find out which particular one got the same or common uh, scores.
Scores. Okay, so you have came up with either of them. It is either number of people or the score. Very good, Nahida. Coming up with creativity is very important so that in the next session I could add up this. So yes, students, you have correctly guessed. Now there are two classrooms. One is class A. This is class A, which has 18 students in it. The other class B, has 27 students in it. Two divisions. How we have two divisions in our school? Likewise, there is division A, division B. Division A consists of 18 students. Division B consists of 27 students. Now I want to divide the classroom itself, one classroom, into smaller teams. Are you getting my point, Sabina? Class A, class B with 18 and 27 students. I want to divide this class of 18 or class of 27 into smaller teams so that it will have exact number of students in each team. From those teams, they'll be playing the game. Maybe it is a football. So they'll be playing football, and one team of each class will be going in the finals. So from class A, one team will be going, and from class B, one team will be going in the finals. So first we have to find the biggest possible team size with exactly same number of students. So here we are going to understand HCF, highest common. Biggest possible is highest common factor. So come up with the factors of 18, come up with the factors of 27. I hope 18 is already done in your book. Come up with the factors of 27 and tell me what would be the biggest possible team size. Go ahead, calculate the factors of 27 and tell me the highest common factor. Yes, Sabina. Take care of yourself, bacha.
ma'am. 9.
9. How many of you are getting the answer 9? Or if you want, I will also try here. We'll try to solve here and get the answer. What are the factors? Understand, it is highest common factor, the biggest possible team size.
9, ma'am.
9. Even Haley is getting 9.
Ma'am, even 9.
9 for everyone. Anyone wants me to
Yes,
solve?
ma'am.
Sabina, you want me to solve? Or is it clear?
If you can.
Yes. Let's take some factors here. Tell me the factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? Naida, factors of 18. Elsie,
Ma'am,
factors of 18.
factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9,
1, 2,
8.
3, 6,
18.
9, 18. What are the factors of 27, Elsie?
1, 3, 9, 27.
1, 3, 9, 27. So which is the common factor, your highest common factor?
9, 9.
9. Very good. Is it clear now, students, with this example? In the next lecture, we have more example connecting this activities. We would have bigger numbers. Now it is only 18 and 27. Maybe in the next class, you would have 207. You will have 225 as a number, bigger numbers. So understand the smaller numbers, then you will understand the bigger picture. Is it clear, students, now?
Ma'am, why have you taken two teams here?
See, understand, HCF, LCM, these are basically concept of comparing two numbers, coming up with the common factors of two numbers, two or more numbers. You can even take 3 classrooms. Your school might have 3 divisions. You can even take 4 classrooms. Your school might have 4 divisions in them. And then you have to come up with a common number in all the 4 divisions or in the 5 divisions which you have. So it is basically comparison between 2 or more numbers. Is it clear now, Sabina?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Good questions. Now moving to the application of HCF. Understand this, because in the next class, students, as I am reminding you again and again, in the next class, we are going to have more of examples with the activity with bigger numbers. So understand the concept clearly. Yes, Pavitra. Again, the next picture. Can you depict what is there in the next picture? Pavitra, Sabina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pavitra, tell me. What is there in this picture? What is the time
Coffee.
first? Tell me. Anyone could tell me, looking at the
10,
clock, what is
10.
the time? It is 10,
10.
10 o'clock. Very good. Now, what are these two people doing here?
Working, ma'am. They are
They are
working on
working. They are working on something. And then what they take after every 45 minutes or after
break.
20,
Coffee.
20 minutes? They take
Break.
coffee break. How many of you all have taken break from the morning? No one? You want to go on a break, right? Neither is like I want to go on a break. What about the others? Yes, no. So quickly we'll solve this example and we'll go on a break. Okay. So there's two people. Let's take these two people as Anup and Felsi. They are working on something. Okay. Now
Manup is absent today.
Anup is absent, right? Right. He has taken a break, a big break. Okay. So Anup and Felsi are the one who are working together. It's 10 o'clock. They have taken their first coffee break. At 10 o'clock, they have taken their first coffee break. Chelsea takes a break after every 45 minutes. Understand this number, students? After every 45 minutes. And Anup takes a break after every 20 minutes. Now, I want to know that when are they going to meet again? Together, not like separately. Together, they are going to meet after 45 and 20 minutes of interval again. So we are going to come with the least common multiple. So can you come up with the answer of least common multiple of 45 and 20? Now this is bigger number. We have what we have done with 7 and 9. Same you have to do here also with these numbers. What we did with 7 and 9, you'll remember the same thing has to be done here and it is easy.
Is it 5, ma'am?
I am telling you it is least common multiple. So after 5 minutes you are going to meet again, really? Is it? No? After 45 minutes, Felsi will go. So at 10:45 she will go. Anup will go at 10:20. So after these minutes, they are going to again go for a break. I want something as a least common multiple, then they are again meeting together. This is a big
5
number.
नहीं.
Time. Yes, Naida.
5.
1.
No, Naida.
8.
Again, you are calculating factors. I am telling you, you have to calculate multiples. Take the table of 45.
180.
Take the table of 20. Yes, Sharmila, very good. Sharmila has got the answer 120.
180.
Sorry, 180. 180. I'm sorry. 20, how much is 180? 45, how much is 180? You have to come up with a table, students. So you are understanding when you come to bigger numbers, you have to work with bigger tables.
Ma'am, can you explain again? I didn't understand.
Yes, no problem. I'll do that. See, very basic is going with the multiples. Now 20, we'll go with the table of 20 itself. Let's erase all this. Table of 20, then tell me the table of 20, Sabina. 20, then
40,
40,
60,
60, 80.
80.
By the time at the back end, you all can write the table of 45 and keep it ready. Yes, next is 100, then 120, next
140.
140,
160.
160,
180.
180, and last is
200.
200. Very good. Next, Who will tell me the table of 45? Sharmila, Felsi, Nahida, Haley. Sabina has told me with the 20.
45,
45.
90,
90,
Hmm.
135,
135,
180,
180,
180.
225, 270,
Very good, Elsie.
315, 360, 405, 450.
450. Very good. Now, which is the least common? Which is common number here in the entire table?
180.
180. 180. Yes. So the answer here is after 180. 180 what? 180 banana?
Minutes.
Minutes.
Minutes. Very good. Now, what is 180 minutes, students? How can I convert this and tell me the timing then? 180 minute, 1 hour consists of how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60
minutes,
minutes.
sorry.
So if I divide this with 60, I'll get the answer in hours. So tell
3
me
hours.
1 divided by 60 is 3
3
hours. So from 10 o'clock and after 3 hours, what will be the timing? They'll be meeting again
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
at 1 o'clock. Very good. So again, after break, we are going to meet at 1 o'clock, right? For the next session. Is it clear now,
Clock, it
students?
is showing 10:10 or 10.
Okay, okay. It is showing 10:10. So after 10:10, 3 hours. So the timing would be
110.
130.
110. 130.
110. So
110. Very good. Very good observation, Sabina. So Sabina knows how to look at the watch. Is it clear? So after 10:10 and after 3 hours of 10:10, we are going to again meet at 110. Is it clear? Let me erase this part and clear the answer for you. It is 110. Clear everyone? Sabina, Sharmila, Haley, Pavitra, Nahida. Yes?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, this
Yes,
is not the
ma'am.
only way, students. This is not the only way. There are much quicker ways. Instead of writing the entire table, there are much quicker ways. So, I hope in the next session, when we come up these bigger numbers, we'll be able to answer. Clear? Is it clear now, students? Fine. You will give one small test for me, so I'll understand that you all are very much clear with this. Yes? I've given a link. Solve this link. So I'll understand that we all are on the same page. Okay. A link is being provided in the chat box, students. You can copy down this link. I'll even provide this link in the school group. Everyone has got the link, or you all want me to provide it once again in the group?
Ma'am, can you provide it once again? Because I think so for me it is not a clickable link.
Okay, no problem. It's there in the WhatsApp group as well, Fancy. You will get it.
Is asking for game pin.
Okay, is it? Just a minute. Yes, take the pin. Just a minute. Give me a second. I think this is not the pin. I'll provide the link once again. Haley, please click on this link.
It happened without the pin.
Okay, no problem. I have provided you the
Started.
alternate link as well. Let's go ahead, attempt the entire test and tell me if there's any difficulty. We'll solve on the board.
You're not audible, Aishwarya. You're talking
Ma'am?
something?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Everyone is there in the count. Yes, Nahida, tell me.
ma'am, if we try to keep the like write it down the for table, then it will take too much time. How then we'll attend the question?
Yes. It is for every question I have given 2 minutes, Nahida. 2 minutes. Don't
Okay,
worry.
okay,
Every
ma'am.
question
Yeah.
has been given 2 minutes. Time is being given. Okay. Don't worry. There are other methods also. In the next class, we are going to do that method only using activity, which is called as factorization method. So don't worry with bigger numbers or multiplication thing. Time is being allotted properly. Sabina, you are done with the test or you are facing some network issue? Sabina,
Yes, I'm done.
done with the test? Just a minute, I'll refresh. What about the others? Very good. I could see 100%.
I'm on the last question. Just a minute.
Okay, no problem. Get it done, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Very good, students. Elsie, Pavitra, Haley, Nahida. Did you all face any difficulties? Because Sharmila, I could see 100%, rest are on 80%, 80%, 60%. Is there any question we need to discuss, or have you all understood your part where you went wrong? Haley is nodding no. So
Ma'am, in 8 and 4, they have still to find out the highest multiple, lowest multiple maybe. So I have clicked 24, which is come in the board table, but I missed the I have to select 8 first. So that's why that question get wrong.
Same went wrong for me.
Okay, no problem, students. So the next time when we are going, no, we'll have bigger numbers with us. So solving it with the bigger numbers with an alternative method, faster method, I'll tell you, so you will understand the importance. Okay. Is it clear now? Whatever we have learned today is clear. There are two basic concepts which we have studied. The last was number. It is LCM,
Is common
HCM.
factor and higher common multiple.
Very good. LCM and HCM. Clear? Okay. Fine. I could see some thumbs up in the
Yes,
classroom.
ma'am.
So that will
Yes.
be done for today. Very good. Thank you very much, students. See you in the next class. But I hope you will remember these both the concepts because we are going to solve with bigger numbers. Okay. Thank you very much, students. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Amy.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. Who will say Pavitra and Sabina?
Yes, ma'am. She was very nice with her explanation. She did the basics first and in a very simple method, HCF and LCM, which I wasn't aware of. So she was overall good.
स्कूल में पढ़ा था 10th में अवेयर ऑफ क्या भूल गई
Ma'am, simple method like using the table.
Okay, okay. Yeah, anybody else? Pavitra?
हा मिनिटात पोचतोय मी त्यांच्याबरोबर. त्यांचा मॅनेजर आहे ना, ऐका.
Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am. She was good from starting to the end. She covered everything, and her communication level was good, and interaction was also good. Everyone was answering,
Okay.
and I didn't think so.
Yeah,
I
it was a
think.
nice lesson actually. All
Mm.
efforts, her PPT, explanation. But she also made you all write in the book and show. So everything was nice. Yeah, nice Aishwarya. I don't know what else much, but only lot of disturbance from Aishwarya's.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
On today, I don't know. There may be some challenges at home, whatever it is. So only that was one problem in between. Means lots. Baki, all it was nice. She has the experience. She uses and nicely. Everybody interaction, English, everything. Good Aishwarya, very nice. Okay. अभी कौन है थर्ड बैट्समैन के 5 मिनट ब्रेक चाहिए पानी वानी पीना है मैं भी चाय अब भी उसका
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
बट 5 का 15 मत करो फिर लेट होता है
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
11.